it's Heidi here with Kiddoskoral. I hope y'all are doing well. Today I'm going to be sharing a really quick pressure cooker rice recipe with you guys. This is something that I have been making since I have started on the second cycle of the 17 days, and I can actually add some multigrains to my diet. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because I can tell you my entire family loved this recipe. It was savory, it was delicious, and it kind of tasted like that chicken rice you buy in a box, but a lot healthier. And you know exactly what's in it. I add mushrooms to it and it is absolutely delicious. And I just wanted to share it with you guys because whenever I find something that I feel like my family is going to be enjoying for a long period of time, I want to share it with my viewers. Because especially if it tastes like you took a long time to make it but it only took a few minutes, that's the kind of recipe I like. So I'm going to share this with you guys. You are looking into my pressure cooker, and to the pressure cooker I'm going to add 2 cups of brown rice. And I measure everything out just to make sure. Okay, so we have 2 cups of brown rice. We're going to do a teaspoon of minced garlic. Right in there it goes. I'm using 3 bouillon cubes. Now, if you have chicken stock, I've never used it in here yet with this, but I'm sure it would work fine. Or if you have another type of bouillon type thing that you use, I'm sure if you added it, it would be fine too. I just have bouillon cubes on hand and I just decided to use those, and I add 3 of these little bouillon cubes to my pressure cooker. 3. Now I'm going to add in about 1.5 cups of mushrooms that I have cut up about that size. I'm going to add that right into the pot. These are fresh mushrooms that I bought from Costco. And then I'm going to add in 4 cups of water. I'm going to push multigrain and cook time. And we want this to be at 15 minutes, and then we're going to push start. You know, the pressure's going to build and then it's going to cook for 15 minutes. But I'm going to allow the pressure to release from the pressure cooker automatically. I'm not going to release that. And then once all of that pressure is gone, I let it set for another 5 minutes, and then I come back to it and it should be perfect. Oh my goodness, this smells so good. Hopefully this is not steaming up my my camera too much, but oh my goodness, this is perfect rice. And I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, look at this rice. It is so delicious and so flavorful. Let me know guys if you guys make this recipe. It is so delicious. I highly recommend this because it's not only delicious, but it's good for you. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I'd love to have you along on my journey, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Have a blessed day guys. Bye.